So here are some sample recordings of live streams for the Iowa workshop.
Some of you, a lot of you, the main focus is going to be on public soundbars, and that's what you want to focus on, and that's what you want to learn. And it's a great thing to do because, as someone was saying earlier, I can't remember your name, I'm afraid, but you know, you may be thinking of doing 3 or 4 of these a week. That's fantastic. You get 20 people along. They pay $15 or $20 each. You know, you can make a good living out of this, and you're also providing a fantastic service into your community, and it's a really amazing thing to do. What we're finding, and this is being kind of validated by the experience of some kind of like alternative medical doctors in the US and elsewhere, is that sounds, healing sounds, whether it's done one-to-one, you know, and or in groups, has this potential to potentize other forms of therapy, other forms of interventions that are happening. And so to be running cancer support groups, you know, with sound in itself is valuable, but it's also going to make anything else that they're doing more effective. So it's a really great thing to do. And I'll be touching a bit more on this, I think, tomorrow. So we'll get on to that.
We also facilitated sharing plus live questions and answers on Zoom.
She's going to come up and share.
Oh, great. Fantastic. Thank you.
She's a cancer thriver.
I am. Hi, Tony.
Hey.
I'm Sandy. As a member of a cancer support group, it's a very tight-knit, special group that we share some very intimate things with each other.
Absolutely.
Things that we don't really care to share with our family because we don't want to scare them or get them more worried. And
that's it.
For me, it was an amazing group of people that we could just share our most inner thoughts, our fears, and celebrate those successes that we had as we were getting healthier.
Yeah.
You know, so this stuff is really important, I think, to share if you can get in.
Yeah, that's it.
Somehow find a way in to share.
Yeah, what kind of context did you have your group? Where was it? Where, you know, what kind of setting?
It was, I had breast cancer about 8 years ago, and I decided to take a very natural way out of it with no radiation, chemo, or surgery.
Hey, listen, let's just give you a big clap. Hey, and here you are 8 years on. Whoa! And not only that, but you want to now learn how to do, you know, offer something back to others.
But to ease the pain of my doctor not treating me, she asked me to become a member of her support group, just so she could kind of keep track of me, I think.
Yeah, okay.
So I decided to go to the support group, and I'm still in it. This is 8 years later. I'm still in the support group.
It's a long-term thing, isn't it? Yeah.
They saw me get healthier and, you know, asked me what I was doing to naturally work through the challenges of what we were dealing with. And it, you know, to bring this into that kind of a group would be a miracle.
Are you going to do it? Are you going to do it?
I am absolutely going to.
Yay! Brilliant.
Absolutely going to do that.
Other members of our team in the UK also contributed with teachings and demos.
So that was a piece of music I wrote called Sea of Dreams many years ago, which, as I was saying, seems to have quite a good healing effect on people, which is for quite a few reasons, I think. Although I hadn't actually met Tony at the time when I wrote that, I think one of the important aspects of that is its speed, its BPM, beats per minute, which for this particular piece of music is 64, which is a nice kind of slowing down, slower than the average heart rate type piece of sort of speed. So people are going to kind of slow down and get into a more relaxed state when they listen to it. So that's one aspect of it. And I think another aspect of it is the melody it's kept very, very simple. And if you analyse it on a technical level, then there's quite a lot of use of triads in it as well, which I've subsequently learnt about, and triads can have very healing effects. So I think if you were to analyse that piece of music, there'd be lots of kind of triads in different sequences which trigger lots of healing effects and emotions.